Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. I am sure you're looking forward to my videos and I appreciate that you've subscribed to my channel and you give me thumbs up and you give me constructive comments. So I appreciate that a lot, okay? So today what I'm going to talk about is I've been painting my bathroom and there has been a bit of a mess because I'm a beginner painter. I haven't painted before. So I did paint, as you can see behind me everywhere, and it looks very nice for my standard because I'm a beginner. And I'll show you what I painted. Okay. So I painted my washroom, and look at this. Looks nice. Looks nice to me, anyways. But the problem is there has been some cleaning that I've left myself with, some drops of paint on various places, as you can see, and some on the floor and some on the hardwood. How are we going to clean this? So I have a very good method of cleaning it. All you need is a dishwasher soap, a sponge, a scrunchie, and Mr. Clean magic eraser. And I'll show you how I clean, okay? So first I'm gonna take off the paint marks from my hardware on the wall. So I have a soap and a scrunchie, okay? I know some people might worry about, oh, I don't want to scratch my, this. But you don't have to do it hard. Just do it really softly. And I'm doing the paint removal after a day of painting. So just the second day after. So it's not gonna be that difficult to do, okay? So, and I use this other scrunchie just so my fingers don't get caught in it, and it's gonna come out so beautifully. So as you can see, I'll show you in a few minutes how all my paint has been gone. Very easy, very easy to do. Okay, and I'm also going to do the toilet paper one right here. 2 seconds and it's gone. I'm telling you, literally. Okay, so my hardware is nice and clean again, and I'm happy. There you go. Okay, it's all done. All I'm going to do is wipe it with a cloth, and I'm good to go. There you go. So that's done. Now I'm going to take a cloth, dishwasher cloth. So I have my dishwasher cloth. Wipe it down. Voila! It's all clean. Okay, very easy. Easy to do. Nothing to worry about. And you have your shiny hardware again. My biggest tip is don't leave it for so long, okay? Now, I don't know if you can see, but I have some paint marks here, right here on the tile. So what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm gonna use my magic eraser. I'm gonna try and see if I can remove this. The magic eraser, yeah, it's doing the job. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit, so you can see. It is taking off the paint. Yeah. Very powerful. Magic eraser is really powerful. But my scrunchie is even more powerful. After magic eraser, I just do a little bit of scrunchie. And it's gonna come off like a piece of cake. Oh my God. It's doing amazing. Amazing job. When my guests come, they won't even see anything from my tiles. And it's gonna do okay. It doesn't take long at all. There you go. Okay, cleaned it. Now, again, same thing. I'm gonna wipe it. And there you go, voila. It's gone. Very nice. There you go. All gone. I'm gonna show you even the marks on the hardwood and how I take it out from the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Okay, let's do it. So here you can see the wood has a lot of paint on it. So I'm gonna remove it using my magic eraser. Okay, and I'll show you what happens. Like this, all the paint will come off. It's coming off so easily. So I loosen up the paint, and there's, you see a big chunk here? It's gonna come off easily. Gotta put a little bit of pressure, and the paint will come off. And then once I'm done, I scrub it off. There you go. Even my floor is getting clean. And my paint is gonna be gone in 2 seconds. So you can see nice and clean washroom. Look at this. All the paint marks are gone, and the handles, everything are nice and clean. Even the tiles are, wow, nice. Love it. Here, the sink, and the floor is beautifully cleaned. So it took me, I would say, around half an hour to clean up the mess, but it was important to do it as soon as possible. So it's done. Thank you. So thank you for watching, and happy cleaning. Please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All the best. Bye-bye.